Hi guys, I'm coming to you with the taste test of the StarKist Charlie Snack Kit Seasoned Tuna. It's the Thai style tuna and it's 3 grams protein. So yeah, this is how it looks. Got it from Dollar Tree for $1. I'm very excited about trying it because you guys, I love tuna fish. Yes, tuna fish.
I like it.
So you guys,
I want some.
I'm gonna give you some. This is the crackers, and this is the tuna. And let me see this. It comes with a little spoon. So we're gonna try this out. Give it here so I can open it. Oh my goodness, y'all! I hope this tastes really good. Ooh, sorry about that rattling, y'all. I'm trying to get it open. Okay. Stop. Let me have one. Okay, so this is the crackers. Give me one.
I want two.
You want two? Yeah, she always want two.
Whoa.
It has the pop top. I'm very glad for that, honey, because I am no good with a can opener. Oh. Apparently, I'm not good with pop top either. Oh, there you go. So, this is what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, my God.
Smell.
Oh, my God, y'all. It's making my mouth water, too. Yeah, I shouldn't have took all the crackers. Hold on. Okay, yeah. So, I got the crackers back, and it smells really good, y'all. My mouth is watering. Y'all see my mouth? You see the drool about to start? Okay, here you go. We're going to let Chunky try it first. Is it good? What do you think? Is it good? What's wrong? Well, I'm finna try it, you guys, because my mouth is like, ooh, girl, gimme. So here we go. And it like it has peppers in it. Red peppers, but that's fine. Because we both enjoy spicy stuff. Ooh, goodness. Okay, here we go, y'all. They don't want to see that. Oh, did you say your grace?
Amen.
Amen. Okay. Here. Okay. How about it fell off?
Me.
Sorry, y'all. It fell off and it fell on Chunky hand. Okay, here we go.
My turn.
I like it, you guys. It's a little spicy, but it's good.
My turn.
You gotta put it on a cracker.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it, you guys. It
Oh, my nails.
Okay. There you go. Do you like it? Is it good? It's spicy?
No, it's nasty.
It's nasty? Well, then you don't have to eat no more. Mama eat all of it then. It's good to me, y'all. It kind of reminds me of barbecue beans. Like, you know how you eat barbecue beans? That's what it kind of reminds me of, but with a little spice to it. Let me try it again, you guys, because, you know. Yeah. So I'll be smacking it in your face. But I like it. It is good. Chunky, do you like it?
No, not me.
And the cracker is good too. She doesn't like it, but I like it, you guys.
My turn.
Why you say your turn, but you don't like it? You gonna try it without the cracker?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead. Do it without the cracker. Eat it. You like it? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oops, sorry. You like it? Yeah, she said it's real spicy. But let me try it without the cracker. Because it tastes good to me. So I'm just going to put that much.
Your turn.
Mmm. 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 I like it, guys. It tastes
My turn.
It tastes like barbecue beans, but it's not beans, you know, it's tuna. But that flavor of it, it's good, you guys. I like it. It's just enough spicy. It's not too spicy. She must like it because she keep on eating it. But yeah, you guys, I like it. I would definitely buy it again for $1. And it's the StarKist Charlie's Snack Kit Thai style tuna, the seasoned tuna. You guys, I like it. I would definitely keep picking this up every time I see it at Dollar Tree. Spicy?
Yeah, spicy.
But do you like it? Does it taste good?
Tastes good.
So you do like it? Oh, so she likes it. So we both like it, you guys.
My turn.
If you have tried it, let me know if you like it.
Yummy.
It's very tasty to me. I like the crackers.
Yummy.
I just like everything about it. I like the packaging.
Your turn.
Mmm. Yeah, you guys. If you tried it and you like it, or if you don't like it, please let me know what it was like for you. Thank you for watching. You gonna tell them thank you?
Thank you, Mom.
Not with your mouth full. Bye, you guys.
Bye, guys.